Every home seller's dream is to walk away from the closing table with that big fat check. But before you go on a spending spree, consider all the fees associated with closing that might affect your final payout. I'm sure you've already considered your loan payoff amount. If you still owe anything on your mortgage, the bank will be the first to get paid off at closing. If any agents represented you or the buyers, you'd have to pay those agent commissions. And this can range depending upon the agreements between the parties and their agents, but it's traditionally about 5 to 6% of the home sales price. After that, you might have negotiated in the contract to pay a portion of the buyer's closing costs and other prepaid items. Other things that go into this calculation are the cost of any home warranties, title fees, prorated taxes, and HOA fees. And these costs can vary widely depending on where you live and what companies you're working with. If you want to get a more accurate estimate of what you'll walk away with after the closing, reach out to our team at Payout and we'll be happy to help you calculate it. If you like this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and subscribe and follow along for more great content like this.